Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Scientists have named 7 foods to eat for a healthy and sound sleep. A huge number of factors affect our health: environmental pollution, stress, poor nutrition, and the like. Therefore, it is very important to take care of yourself and try to minimize the negative impact of these factors. Proper nutrition, combined with adequate exercise, is the key to a long, healthy life. Adequate sleep is also important. Therefore, in the evening, it is better to give preference to foods that help improve the quality of sleep. Here are 7 foods to eat before going to bed to help you sleep better and get better rest. Chamomile tea. There is evidence that chamomile can boost immunity, reduce symptoms of mild anxiety and depression, and even improve skin health. Plus, chamomile tea has some unique properties that can improve sleep quality. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. Eating walnuts improves sleep quality as they are one of the best dietary sources of melatonin. Alpha-linolenic acid, which is found in walnuts, promotes the production of serotonin, which also has a positive effect on our sleep. Kiwi. Kiwi fruit contains quite a lot of folate and potassium, as well as several other important micronutrients. This is one of the best foods you can eat before bed. Kiwi contains serotonin as well as antioxidants such as vitamin C, which have anti-inflammatory properties and promote healthy sleep. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like trout, tuna, and mackerel are very healthy because they are a powerful source of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. They significantly increase the production of serotonin, so they help you sleep better and rest better. Almond. Almonds are a source of melatonin. Melatonin regulates your internal clock and signals when it's time to get ready for bed. These nuts are also rich in magnesium, which helps lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Excessive cortisol production is a common cause of sleep disorders. Passion flower tea. Passion flower tea is another herbal tea that can reduce anxiety levels and help you fall asleep faster. If it is high time for you to go to bed, and sleepiness still does not come, a cup of tea with passion flower can help. Turkey. Turkey is high in protein, which is important for maintaining muscle mass and regulating appetite. Eating moderate amounts of protein before bed will help you sleep better and help you avoid waking up feeling hungry. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.